the clear blue sky. Turn up the music when I hop in the ride. The windows down, let the whole world see. Ain't nobody rock it like little old me. I'm the bomb in a bomb.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Hurricane Center, and the New York State Police Department. An immediate evacuation has been issued for the entire New York coastline. Hurricane Melissa is expected to impact both New York and New Jersey in the next 3 days. The National Weather Service predicts that Hurricane Melissa will make landfall in Staten Island. Hurricane Melissa is a very large and deadly Category 5 hurricane with sustained winds of 230 miles per hour. Wind gusts are at 276 miles per hour. As the hurricane gets closer, it will strengthen again. Hurricane warnings have been issued as far inland as the Rochester region. The rest of New York State is under tropical storm warning. Hurricane Melissa is expected to completely destroy New York City. All citizens on the New York coast are to evacuate immediately. When evacuating, only take essential items. These items include non-perishable food, bottled water, a first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, flashlights, batteries, emergency money, identification and clothing. Shelters are being set up outside of the immediate danger zone. Shelter listings will be sent by text messages and on all radio stations. These shelters are clearly signposted. Those unable to evacuate should call 911. Police or National Guard units will take you to the nearest shelter. If you do not have an emergency, refrain from calling emergency services. Remain calm and do not panic. Please listen to all instructions from the proper authorities. Stay tuned to media outlets for updates on this situation.